Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is Friday. Excuse my appearance, you guys. I done got home, got comfortable, getting ready to just chill out. I had been out and about on my Friday, but I didn't find anything shopping. But luckily, the other day, I had a knock on my door and I had this wonderful find. So if you not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and push that button. Comment, share with your family, your friend, your mama, your daddy, whoever. Bring them on over to this party because you know what? What is it? Friday $40 fines. Okay, and this week's Friday $40 fine is huge. This plant. Can y'all see this? Oh my goodness. Now I got this from tjmax.com and originally it was $49, but I caught it on sale for $39. So that puts me what? Under my $40. Okay, I had to pay shipping, so I was a little bit over. But okay, it still was $40. Look at this beauty, you guys. Coming with the gold stand. Yes, and it is 36 inches tall. And it has a ceramic pot. And so I thought this was really a good deal because even for the smaller ones at Target and stores like that, they want almost $30-something for just the itty bitty tabletop ones. This one you can put on your table or your floor. So you guys, that is it. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you for coming and watching my $40 Friday finds. Stay tuned to next week so you can see what your girl can find. Ooh, guys. Ooh. Is it me? Oh, I think I'm having a hot flash. Okay, you guys, I'm going to stick my head in the freezer and cool off. See you next Friday. Bye, y'all.